first mistake is poor planning. Wants to jump straight into coding without preparations, and as a result you're receiving that quality of code. It's actually not really good from standpoint of maintaining. You cannot extend it, you cannot test it usually, so make preparations every time for your code. Big functions, yeah, it's so usual that developers like to make big functions. I don't know why, but we like it. For example, here is the function. You reading this and you just like, okay, something happens. Even in this function, it's quite good because there is some commands, like you can understand like what's happening here. You need to go deeper, spend your time, so it's not good. You cannot extend this function, you cannot reuse it. Always split it to the small functions. So for example, if you compare this with that function, you will see like, okay, it's less, it's smaller, and also it's easier to understand it. Everything is split to the small function, and I can make a test for every function as well. The next part is variables. Sometimes variables just like that, and I think it's the worst case. Please always think how you will name variable and how you will reuse it later, like how other developers also understand it. Always make preparations, because this code means something. This code doesn't mean something. Here is the small name conventions which usually use. It's camel case, Pascal case, snake case, and here is actually just how in Golang variables is calling. You're not using format tools, which just makes your life easier. What I'm talking about, for example, I will just like make some random spaces and save it. You can see everything formatted, press command save. So guys, basically it's super simple. What you need is install EaseLint Prettier. It's basically just tool for formatting, as I said. You can just copy it. I will paste all of that information and link to description. Yeah, you just need to set up. All configurations already in the internet, just take it. You can follow this documentation which I prepared, like I just made research and paste it here. You just need to make configurations, it's super simple. And later you just adding this configuration to VS Code. Every time when you're going to save file, it will format it. For example, have review of pull request or whatever. You don't need to like, okay, make here one more tab, space, whatever. All of that makes it prettier. Don't forget, use it. Writing the tests. I really often see that developers just like, I don't want to write it, like spend time. Let me tell you, actually writing tests is very important, especially part of the code which is reusable in different places. So you can catch the bug early, make refactoring of that function in Solidity. All the tests is like documentation which you can read and understand. Also, it's really improve the code quality. So don't forget to write the test when you get the time. Thank you very much, guys. I hope you liked this video and enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button. Thank you, guys.